Hello everyone, and you're very welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. This is my first video of the new year, which is 2022. I hope you're all doing very well and had a good Christmas. And yeah, I hope you've already started back doing some voiceovers and some voice acting. Today I'm going to speak about a site which is not new, but it's new to me, a new freelance site called Guru.com. Now, Guru.com has been going since 1988. It was founded in Pittsburgh. It's a freelance site, which you can get some voiceover and voice acting work on it. It's both, you can get some work free to play and pay to play. So there is a membership fee, but you can also, like Voices 123, you can also get some work free without, of course, without paying the membership fee, but of course you'll be at the bottom of the pile, so to speak. Sometimes you can still get some work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Bear with me. Okay, here we are. This is Guru.com. Now, Guru.com, like I said, has been going since 1988. It is a freelance site for lots of different, types of freelance work, but voice acting is also another option. And as you can see, I've already signed up just last month, by the way, so I'm quite new to it. So if you know more about it than me, I'll be glad of the help. But hopefully I can point some of you in the right direction to this new site for me, new site, Guru.com. So let's have a little scroll down. As you can see, I've put my picture in, signed up what I am. Now this is the overview. Okay, so we're looking at the skills I put in, but you'll enter them separately, and there's a couple of ways of advertising yourself. I'll run through it. There's your description, and then your services. Now the services are basically, you can put in the price of what we charge per hour and what your starting price is, an image, and then a title, and of course some information. So let's have a look at, I've obviously uploaded quite a few here, and at the bottom you can put in what you're about, what you can do, your work terms, and you can embed in a video, like a video demo at the bottom, anything at all. And then of course your freelance information at the bottom, but just it will give them like an introduction video, so to speak, this the video to embed on the first page. Going back up here, as you can see, I've got a few more here. There we go. So there's a few more, and I'll just click on this Mexican one to give you an example. Just my information basically, and a picture, and then the skills and expertise, which are more or less tag words and keywords, etc. So no reviews because I'm new to it. I've got no reviews just yet. So just get out of here now. Sorry, bear with me. There we are. Okay, and next up is the portfolio. And this is where you can really show and your demos and what you've done before. So as you can see, I've got quite a few there. And it gives your description on the left-hand side. Your earnings, of course, you remember, as you can see, since December 2021. And now I'll click on the Mexican in the portfolios. So there's my information, what my job is about, the voiceover is about, what I can do, my experience. But I've also embedded my YouTube demo video, which, is basically a way of broadcasting your job. There is no option to upload an MP3 or a WAV file, but an audio file, but there is an option to link your embed your YouTube video. So let's just see how I got on. Have you got it home? Delivers, man. This is the call. I only get the... Hi, Carlito. So that's my Mexican demo on Guru.com. I don't know a whole lot more about it, but what I can tell you is that I can show you the rates. So as you can see here, there is a free version, which I'm at the minute. It's the current version I have. And of course, the 9% of the job fee is what they take. I'm allowed 120 bids a year, which means I can bid for 120 jobs per year for free. Then the basic, which is $8.95 a month, which also take 9% of the job fee, but you can bid for 600, bids a year. The professional goes up to $15.95 a month. The job fee is 7%, also 600 bids per year. Then your business, which is $24.95 a month, 6% of the job fee they take, also 600 per year bids you're allowed. And the executive, which is $39.95 a month, they only take 5% of the job fee, and 600 bids per year is allowed as well. Just so you can have a quick look down here, quick scroll over of the available information. So I can't tell you a whole lot about them yet because I'm only on the basic free current version. That's what I'm doing at the minute. So that's it. That's guru.com. Also, you can upload your kind of background picture there as well, and your main profile picture, and that's it. I've spoken to a few people who have got some jobs off there, of Guru, have got some work. But as I go along and as I hopefully get some success on there, I will update it and post a new video of how I'm getting on. But I think, as my granddad always said, fishing, and I always say the same thing, the more rods in the water, the more chances you have of catching more fish. So there's no harm in joining this site. It is free. You might get seen. Like, for example, I've been on a very expensive site, but a year ago, I joined the free version, and they liked one of my demos, and I got a couple of jobs off of it from the free version. So that is possible as well. And it's always good to, like I said, to have as many rods in the water, join as many platforms as possible to give yourself the best chance of getting some voiceover work. So I hope this helps. I hope you join up, and you never know where it could go. It might lead to nothing, but if you don't buy the ticket, you can't win the lottery. Anyways, give it a shot and let me know what you think. As always, if you've got any questions or anything, comments, put them in the comment section. Let me know if I've done something wrong, or if you've got any questions for me, put them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. And as always, happy voiceover.